don't get trapped into an unhappy position. I mean, if I could say anything, I just know so many nurses that are unhappy, and I'm not afraid. I am not afraid to try new things. Don't be afraid to try new things. That's my parting advice.
And so, so well said. I think that you pretty much touched on the core of this podcast and what I'm trying to show people, that if you do happen to be alone or feeling isolated and upset at the bedside, there are so many different options to meet so many different personality needs and like different, I guess, bedside experiences.
Yeah.
And that you're not stuck in quicksand, in that you're also not the first nurse to leave and discover a new and exciting role. I know we've brought up LinkedIn a million times, but I'm only saying it because the nurses on there are so incredibly friendly and so ready to welcome a new
Yes.
non-traditional nurse like into our cohort. So yeah, if you can take away anything from Janelle and I's conversation and from this podcast, it's that if you're stuck, get unstuck. We can help with the podcast. We can all do it. So
Yes.
Janelle Stello, the other Janelle, thank you so much for coming on today. It has been
Thank you so much for having me.
absolutely, it's been so nice to watch you grow as a writer, especially over the
Thank
last
you.
year. Right away, you did have that drive, and I was like, this girl is absolutely going to kill it at writing. You knew exactly what you
Thanks.
wanted, knew the type of client, and you're like, I am not giving up. So
That's
again,
right.
I am so happy to see you shine in your articles, and every time you get a new client, I'm rooting for you. So thank you so much again for coming on.
Thank you, Janelle. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything.